Girl Resolution. Today I'm going to be teaching you some South African moves. Let me show you the first move and then we'll go from there, okay? So that was Coscus. I don't know if I said it right, but correct me if I'm wrong. It's from South Africa. The first thing that you want to do is starting with your left leg. You want to hop on your left, right? And when you hop, your right leg comes up. You're going one, and again, and then one, and again, and then hop. My right leg comes up. My right leg is going to go down and then out, yeah? So we're going up and out. Up, down, out. Up, down, out. We're going again. One and out. Hop and out. In the back, we're going 5, 6, 7, and. So that's basically what we're doing. When you step out, you want to bring your leg in. Left leg steps out to jump again, yeah? So the motion is, we're going out, in, out, jump. So when you add everything together, we're going hop and out and ha. Hop, ha, ha, and ha. I hope you're getting it right. Let's repeat it a few times so you get used to it. So we're going 5, 6, 7, hop, ha, ha. And a ta. Hop and a ha. And a ta. Hop and a ha, and a ta, hop and a ha, and a ta. Follow the rhythm, okay? Because if you're not getting this rhythm, then that means you're doing something wrong, okay? So let's go. 5, 6, 7, hop and a ha, and a ta, hop and a ha, and a ta, hop and a ha, and a ta. That's basically what you're doing, yeah? Now you want to add your arms. Your arms are here, yeah? So we add everything together. We're going 5, 6, 7, and a ha, and a ha. Hop, step out, and a out. Hop, step out, and a out. Hop, step out, and a out. That's basically what you're doing. Remember, when I'm doing this, I'm here. My body is here, okay? It's here, okay? Another thing that I tend to do with it is that I kind of move my hips with it. So I rotate my hips with it to give it a little bit of source. So we're rotating our hips with it, okay? So when I add it, we're going 5, 6, 7, and a half, and around, and a half, hey, and around, hey, rotate, and I rotate, hey, and the dynamic banamazoo, it's gonna hand me manamico, hey, in the banamazada, hey. So that's what you're doing, okay? So it's all about repeating this as many times and following the steps, okay? So that is Coscus from South Africa. To the next one. That move was Betha kick, right? You guys have been seeing this quite a lot and it's quite popular. You want to prep for this move. There's 2 ways of prepping. You either want to hop on both legs or you want to prep with just one, yeah? So whichever one you're comfortable with, stick to it. So we're either going step or we're going step, okay? So pick your poison, okay? So we're going 5, 6, 7, and ha. 5, 6, 7, ha. So whichever one you want to go with, okay? So from here, you're going to bring your body up and then you're going to kick with your right leg to the front, yeah? Same principle applies to the left-hand side if you want to do it on your left, okay? We're going 1 and a kick, or we go 1 and a kick, yeah? When you kick up, you bring your right leg down, you step with your left leg, and you ripple up, okay? So when you're rippling up, your bum is out, you want to just push it in to bring you up here. You're transferring the weight in your knees to bring it up, okay? So from the side, we're going 5, 6, 7, and ha, boom, boom, ha. You get it. Just follow the rhythm. Kick right, left, and then ha. Kick right, left, and then ha, yeah? But you want to make the kick a bit sharper, okay? So we're going 5, 6, 7, and prep, and then ha. When I clap, it's just basically me prepping, okay? So don't get thrown off by that. We're going 5, 6, 7, and a ha, and a boom. 5, 6, 7, and a ha, and a zoom on the side. 5, 6, 7, and a ha, boom, boom, and a zoom. From the back, 5, 6, 7, and a ha, zoom, zoom, and a zoom. So that's Betha kick for y'all. On to the next one. That is Tobetsa, yeah? This move is fairly easy. What you want to do is that starting with your upper part of your body, you want to pop your hips out, your chest. Why am I sleeping on the job? You want to pop your chest out and in. Out and in. Let me show you on the side. So you're saying 1 and a 2. Out and a in. Yeah? And you want to make it faster, so you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you just want to add the hands to it. You're going, our hands are pointing out. Usually I see people just point out their second finger, and it's basically like this. However you want to do it. That's what I see people doing. So I'm just sharing my knowledge, okay? So we're here, and then what you want to do is that you want to point to the side, in the middle, and the side. So we're going to point to the side, center, side. So we're going 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. You're going to interchange this, yeah? So whilst you're doing that, you're bouncing your chest with it. So everything together, we're going 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I'm going to the side, it's like my body is leaning to the side, but at the same time, I'm still doing that thing. So we're going and a ha, yeah? So everything together, we're going point, 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 hey, and a point, and a point. Tobetsa, Tobetsa, and a Tobetsa, Tobetsa. So that's essentially what you're doing. Another variation that I see people do a lot is just one hand. So people usually just stand to the side and they're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. They're going side and side and side. So it's still kind of the same thing, yeah? So we're going Tobetsa, Tobetsa. Same principle applies to the left hand side. We're going Tobetsa, eh, and a ha, and a ha, and a ha, and a ha. Do, 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 do. It's all about just playing with these moves and making it in your own sauce. You feel me? Once you know the basics. Yeah, that's Tobetsa. Let's go from the top again. One thing that I want to add is that when people usually do it, they tend to be a little bit, I don't want to use the word. I just blink, 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 blink my eyes. Okay? So again, 5, 6, 7, and ha, and a ha, eh, and a ha, and a ha, eh, and a ha, and a ha, eh, and a ha, and a ha, and ha. That's Tobetsa for you. Now let's add everything together. Let's make a little routine where we add the Coscus and Betha kick and the Tobetsa together. What I mean is that we're gonna do 4 counts of everything, okay? From the Coscus, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and the 4, Betha kick, and the 1, and the 2, and the 3, and the 4, Tobetsa, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the side, 1, 2, 3, and the 4. So yeah, that's your little routine for you. So if you go to a party and you're hearing some amapiano, just join this move together and just do a little bop on the side, okay? Anyway, thank you for staying tuned with Resolution. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye. Mwah.